In class. I am your English teacher. My name is Aditi Day. Today I am going to explain articles. You all know that articles are a and the. No, children, you all know it very well because in the previous classes also teacher have tell you that when you before noun when we use a and the, it is known as articles beta. Okay, so in this video today I am going to explain that how can you use a and the in before noun, and how can you clarify that you use a and or the. So there are two groups. If the nouns which are given it is countable or indefinite, you use a and an, and when the article is definite you can use the word the before noun beta. The we use when it is universal truth or it is specifically known to us. We use the word the before noun, given noun. Okay, for example, if the dash sun is given, we can use the before sun because it is universal truth also, and it is specifically we know more about the sun. We familiar to this word. That's why we use the. Okay, and for example, if apple is given, we can use an. Because you all know that before vowel sound words we use an, na, and before consonant sound words we use a. So today I am going to make it more clear. So let's begin the video on articles. In class, today I am going to explain articles. As you all know, you all have read about the articles in your previous classes also, children. So today I am going to again revise the topic articles beta. So mention today's date, that is 14/3/21. So you all know that articles means the words a and the. No? So these three we can use in articles. So what about more about articles? We use them before nouns to indicate whether they are general or specific. Mainly articles are divided into two groups. One is definite, second is indefinite. Definite and indefinite. When we use a and an before the noun, it is indicating the indefinite articles. And when we use the word the before noun, it means we are using for the definite articles. Definite means which is specific, which we known very perfectly, about that we use the word the before noun to indicate the definite articles beta. And when we are not sure about the article or it is more in number, we use a and an. Okay, for example, if I give some examples to you, I need a new phone. Okay, because it is a about phone means which we count easily. So I need a phone. We use the article a before that. Next is I need an umbrella. Why we use an? It is we indicate that word is starting with the vowel. Na? U is given here. Na? Umbrella, because pronunciation is a e I o u, so we use an. Next is the sun is bright today. Sun is definite. You all know about sun, that it is a specific and it is definite. universal truth. That's why we use the article. Okay, children. So now I make you more clear. I am going to tell you, when we use vowel sounds noun, we use the word and before that. Okay. Vowels are, you all know, it is A, E, I, O, U. So we use and for that. When vowel sounds noun are used, we use and before that. Next is, when we use rest leaving A, E, I, O, U, we use the word A before consonant sounds noun beta. Okay, we use A word. And when it is definite, when it is specific, we well known about it, we use the word the. Okay. Now some more examples I have given you. Elephant, owl, umbrella, European, one-man army, union. Before that, we use the articles like this. If it is elephant, we use the word an. Na? Okay. But if it is European, E is coming, but E is silent here. Pronunciation, it is U. European means ya. So it is a consonant, that's why we use A. Okay. Next is owl. Owl, again O is there and owl. Pronunciation A is coming. That's why we use an owl. And one man army. One man army means V. One. Na? So V is, according to the, it is consonant. That's why we use A. A one man army. Next is umbrella. Umbrella, again umbrella. So pronunciation, according to that vowel sound, it is a noun, that's why we use an here. Next is union. Again union. U is coming, na? So it is consonant sound. That's why it is, we use A here. A union. If we use an, it will be wrong in front of these three. Okay. Come to the next page to make it more clear. Now I am going to explain some more examples. I met a boy in the mall. Here I put the word A before boy. Okay. Because I met a boy in the mall. I met a boy which is not definite. I not known him. Okay, that's why we use A here. So I met a boy in the mall. So here it is not definite. That's why we use A. I met a boy in the mall. In the next example, I met the boy whom you met yesterday. Means I met the same boy, because you also know, I also know. That's why it is the definite. That's why we use the word the. So I met the boy whom you met yesterday. Okay. Hope you children, it is more explanations when we use the word the. The is used for definite in articles. So definite article the is used before a noun to make it specific. Means, for example, I want the red apple. So I want, why we use the? Because it is red apple. It is a specific one. Okay, that's why we use the word article the. For some more examples, when we take the examples of rivers, so rivers are the universal truth. You all know, and it is specific. We know more about rivers. That's why we use the Ganga. Okay. Before Ganga, we use the word the. Like this, Yamuna, the Yamuna. Okay. So, for more examples, holy books. In holy books, we take the example of Bible, which is the holy book of Christians, na? So we use the word the. the Holy Bible, the Gita. Okay. And for more examples, if you take the examples of newspapers, the Hindustan Times, you see the main heading of the newspaper when it is written newspaper's name. So it is written in broad and the is used because it is a specific newspaper. That's why we use the word the. Okay. So the Hindustan Times, the New York Times. So I hope it is more clear to you all now when we use the word the in the articles. So thank you.